Hey, today we're at the site of a residential fire. Unfortunately, nobody was hurt here, everybody was good, but we do want to share some tips with you on how you can be prepared should you ever find yourself in a situation like this. Being in the damage restoration business, we become involved in fire restoration projects on a regular basis. We've helped a great deal of customers that have experienced fires, some small kitchen fires, and others such as this one that result in major damage. The one common denominator in all the cases is that the homeowner never expected to have a fire and therefore never planned for a fire. And this creates a real challenge when going back to recall what items were actually damaged in the fire. So we offer you the following advice in an effort to be prepared should you ever experience a fire. We suggest that twice a year you take a tour of your home with your cell phone video camera and record in detail the contents in the rooms and on the walls. Save this to your cloud and keep it available should you ever need it. By keeping this updated, you will be much more prepared. We hope you found this tip helpful, and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and stay safe.